Hello friends, welcome to Sagan's English channel, and today we are going to see cooking methods. First method, broiling. Broiling means vega vaital, exposing the food to direct heat. Example, broiled chicken. Number 2 is steaming. Steaming means to place food over a boiling water so that it cooks in the steam. Example, idli, idiyappam, ஆவி கட்டுதல். Number 3 is roasting. Roasting means varuthal, to cook in a oven or in a over a fire. Example, roasted peanut. Peanut na kadalai, varutha kadalai. Roasted meat, varutha curry. Number 4 is frying. Frying in a hot oil or a fat. Purital nu solluvom. Example, buri, vada. Number 5 is baking. Baking means all the bakery items are baked in a microwave oven. Example, cakes.